Hey guys, and welcome back. So if you are new, welcome, and it is so good to have you, and I hope you'll stick around by hitting that little subscribe button down below. Today I have a Dollar General 2 off 10 scenario for you guys, and this is items that you are going to want to pick up. So the first one is the Gain laundry detergent, and if you are not aware, the Gain products are on sale 2 for $8. So you could pretty much pick up what you want, mix and match. So I have the Gain laundry detergent at $4, and you're going to use your $2 off digital. The Gain fireworks at $4, and we have the $2 off digital. And then we're going to pick up the Always liners at $3 with a $2 off digital. So your total is going to come to $11. You have $8 in coupons. So your total will be $3 plus tax, or $1 each, which is a super great deal for Gain laundry detergent. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy couponing, guys, from my home to yours.